What's up, my dudes? In this video I'm going to teach you how to do a very basic releasing spell. Now the main start of this spell is going to be a purple candle. This is good for releasing any sort of energies, but it's also good for multiple effects, so if you want to, you could also add a bit of protection into this, but we're mainly going to be going for releasing. Before I start, if you want to, you can place any sort of sigils on this, or you can just mark your initials. And the next ingredient is avocado leaves. This is a good grounding herb, but it's also good for releasing, so we're going to be using this for this spell. And you can use any sort of sigil or anything that you want onto this leaf. I simply wrote release, and you can write on the back your specific intentions, or you can just mark it with your own sigils. And we're going to be using green. This is because we want to set up a border between our older energies that we're releasing and the new energies that we're bringing to us. You could also use this to grow any sort of boundaries that you want to, but this is the way that we're going to be using it. As your candle is burning, you just want to charge it with your own energies. This is something that you want to charge with all the negative energies, focusing specifically on the specific actions or feelings that you want to remove. Once it's fully charged, you want to take your bay leaf. You could either lick it or place some of your DNA onto the leaf, and then you can burn it. Make sure when you burn it, you only burn into the stem, and then once you have the stem, you can use that into the wax to seal the intentions into the wax as the rest of it burns. As this is finishing, make sure you give thanks to your own self for releasing the energies, and make sure after this you seal and enchant yourself with the energies that you do want. Have a good day, night life, enjoy yourself, and be happy.